Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about practical geometry, that is chapter 10. Here is the introduction. You are familiar with a number of shapes. You learned how to draw some of them in the earlier classes. For example, you can draw a line segment of given length, a line perpendicular to a given line segment, an angle bisector, a circle, etc. Now we'll learn how to draw parallel lines and some types of triangles. First one is construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Let us begin with an activity. Let us take a sheet of paper, make a fold. This fold represents a line L, like this. Unfold the paper and mark a point A on the paper outside L. Fold the paper perpendicular to the line such that this perpendicular passes through A. Name the perpendicular AN. Make a fold perpendicular to this perpendicular through the point A. Name the new perpendicular line as M. Now L is parallel to M. Do you see why? Which property or properties of parallel lines can help you here to say that line L and M are parallel? You can use any of the properties, any one of the properties regarding the transversal and parallel lines to make this construction using ruler and compass only. Take a line L like this and a point A outside L like this A. Take any point B on L and join B to A. Join this one. With B as center and a convenient radius, draw an arc cutting L at C and BA at a D and BA at D point. Now with A as center and the same radius as in step 3, draw an arc EF cutting AB at G. Place the pointed tip of the compass at C and adjust the opening so that the pencil tip is at D. With the same opening in step 5 and with G as center, draw an arc cutting the arc EH at H. Now join AH to draw a line M. Right? Note that angle ABC is and angle BAH are alternate interior angles. Therefore, we can say that M is parallel to L. Now, next one is construction of triangles. It is better for you to go through this section after recalling ideas on triangles, in particular the chapters on properties of triangles and congruence of triangles. You know how triangles are classified based on sides or angles and the following important properties concerning triangles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal in measure to the sum of the interior opposite angles. We know this one. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. And 4. In any right angled triangle, the square of the lengths of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. In the chapter on congruence of triangles, we saw that a triangle can be drawn if any one of the following sets of measurements are given: 3 sides, 2 sides and the angle between them, 2 angles and the side between them, the hypotenuse and a leg in the case of right angled triangle. We will now attempt to use these ideas to construct triangles. Constructing a triangle when the lengths of its 3 sides are known, that is SSS criterion. How to construct? First, suppose this one. How to construct this triangle? First of all, what you have to do? Draw a line 6 centimeter, right? And with the pointer at point B, make an arc here. And with the pointer at point C, make an arc here. Make an arc of 5 centimeter and here make an arc of 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter length of this side. With B as center and the length of this pointer and the pencil is 5 centimeter, cut an arc here. The same as that, with C as center, cut an arc at point A such that the distance is 7 centimeter. Then you can get the triangles, right? Next one is constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known. Side angle side. I have to construct, first draw a side that is 5.5 centimeter, right? Then draw a 60-degree with the help of protractor or compass, right? 60-degree, right? Then with this point as Q, cut the point P with 3 centimeter. Then you get side angle side. Then you will get the triangle. Next one is this one. Constructing a triangle when the lengths of the two of its angles and the length of the side included between them is given. This one. How you have to draw in this way? First of all, you draw 6 centimeter a line, and with the help of protractor, draw angle 30-degree and extend this line. And with the help of protractor, draw here 100-degree and extend this line. And these two lines will cut at the point Z. Then ZXY is the required triangle. And the next one is constructing a right angle triangle when the lengths of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. That is right hand side criterion. What you have to do? First of all, you have to draw a line 3 centimeter, and then with the help of protractor, draw a perpendicular line, right? And draw a perpendicular line. And if you know the length of the hypotenuse, from take n point and cut the length ln as sum as the length of the hypotenuse, then you will get the required triangle. In the next exercises, in the next video we will discuss how to draw the different triangles in the exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.